Well, it is Sunday afternoon and the weather is absolutely awful. It is pouring raining here in Moorestown, New Jersey. So I came into the office to knock some work out for a very busy week once again for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Tomorrow, I will be in Delaware County, Pennsylvania in the morning. And then, believe it or not, I'll be up in Hudson County for a case in the afternoon session. So a busy day tomorrow, like it is every day. But it is Sunday, and I'm just tying up some loose ends here in the office. Sticking on with a blog article regarding private criminal complaints in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Now, this is an area that our law firm doesn't really have a lot of cases in, but it's nevertheless important to our clients and their families because we receive a lot of questions about it. Now, the first thing I want to point out is that a person should never use a private criminal complaint in a frivolous manner. And I can't tell you how many people have contacted our office who are not clients or friends of clients or family of clients who have contacted our office and told me about the case. And it's not a legitimate case. It seems obvious the person is attempting to resolve some civil dispute through the criminal courts, and that is not appropriate, and even going as far as to make simply false allegations. And I've determined that just by simply speaking to them and catching themselves in contradictions with regards to the story and what actually occurred. So with regards to criminal complaints, whether it be in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, otherwise known as citizen complaints, the first thing is that it must be legitimate. Now, like any complaint, like ones that are typically filed that our office does see, like a police complaint where a person is arrested following an investigation or following a traffic stop, there must be probable cause to support the allegation. Now, in regards to a private criminal complaint, the most common ones that we see are things like assault, harassment, stalking, things of that nature. And these are cases where we have advised clients on how to proceed both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And in that blog article, I detail the process. The process is a little different in both states. And I detail that but what it comes down to is that ultimately the matter will go to the district attorney's office, whether it be in Pennsylvania or the prosecutor's office in New Jersey. They will evaluate the case and determine whether or not the matter should proceed. Now, there are ways that the courts can get involved, and I do explain that in my article, which I'll link into this video, but it's important to understand that there is a process, and in addition to the private criminal complaint process, there is also a civil proceeding, otherwise known as TROs, temporary restraining orders, and FROs, final restraining orders in New Jersey, and in Pennsylvania, PFAs, protections from abuse. These are civil proceedings. They appear like they're criminal proceedings, but they're typically handled in the family court system, whether it be in Pennsylvania or New Jersey. Now, there is a mechanism where they can become criminal, where a court issues an order like a PFA or an FRO, and the defendant violates the order, and he or she is then held in contempt. It can lead to criminal prosecution and further criminal cases in some situations, because there are additional charges like additional harassment or stalking, or in some cases aggravated assault, like a simple assault or an aggravated assault. Both are chargeable crimes, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The website, gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. I'm going to link in the most recent blog article. In addition, I'm going to link in the most recent e-update, which went out on Friday. So over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, some fantastic articles. Our e-update is a great resource to have only on the weekends. It provides the most immediate, up-to-date content that we have available on our website. It also gives links to our blogs, our podcast, our videos, and all of our content, including my 6 downloadable free strategy books, which are, again, great resources to have if you are charged with a crime in Pennsylvania or New Jersey. So once again, have a great weekend. Please, hopefully the weather lifts. I think today is National Ice Cream Day, I believe. So hopefully you all get out and have some ice cream or something. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Sunday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.